Welcome. Let's expand our central pulse. Begin by breathing into the center of your body, your solar plexus, the sun plexus. This area is just below your rib cage in the center of your body. Continue this breath in and out, feeling the circular expansion of your breath as you notice the color of this center. Let that color expand with your breath as you exhale. Let it expand out from the central pulse. Soften the breath as you notice the sensation of this center. Can you see the breath expand out in a concentric shape as the colored light changes from yellow to blue to violet? Can you feel the stillness of this center? Can you feel the power and strength as a gentle suggestion? Nice. Then inhale from the solar plexus up to the sky center and up to the heavens. Exhale this breath back to the center of the body. Notice the colors again. Inhale from the center up to the heavens and exhale back down. We are bringing in a new light and power to this central pulse. Inhale again to this area in the center, the solar plexus. Exhale down to the earth center and into the earth. Inhale this chi up to this center. Exhale down to the earth. Then bring the earth chi back up. Continue this 2 more times. Exhale down. Inhale up along the central pulse. Exhale down. Then inhale up. Now, we're going to come back to the breath of the central pulse. Beginning back at the earth center. Breathe in here as you breathe up through the heart pulse and to the sky pulse and beyond to the heavens. Exhale this chi down this central line to the earth pulse again and bring it to the center of the earth's core. Inhale again this up, touching upon each center, ending up with this breath up in the heavens. Exhale this down through the central line as you notice the breath pass through the solar plexus as well as the other centers. Continue this breath as you inhale up and exhale down. Beginning to slow your breath down with this movement, giving yourself time to reflect and sense the colors, sensations, and textures of each center. Continue with this rhythm. Inhale up, sensing the colors of each center. Exhale down. Inhale up, slowing down the breath. Exhale down and soften. Inhale up and expand the breath with the light, Exhale down as your whole body settles a bit more, feeling as if your body is dropping deeper into your chair. Inhale again. Reach up high. Exhale and float down the center line, softening deeper into the earth. Inhale up. Brighten the light that you see in this channel. Notice the colors that stand out, that move you, that change you. Then softly exhale, continuing seeing and feeling this light as you breathe out. Inhale up, feeling your whole body expand. Exhale down, feeling your body soften and contract into your central pulse. Inhale again into any discomfort in your body. Sore shoulder, headache, back. Inhale this up to release it up to the heavens. Exhale any other discomfort or the same down to the earth pulse and out into the earth. Continue. Inhale now into any emotional tightness or discomfort in your life. Anything that's not of ease. Release this into and out into the heavens. Exhale any other discomfort down into the earth pulse. Continue this with one more full breath. Inhale into the discomfort. Release up. Exhale any other discomfort. Release down. Nice. Now take this next breath into your earth center and feel any sensations and see any colors that come to you. Notice it all, the size and shape of this center. Beautiful. Next, come on up to the solar plexus. What do you notice as you breathe into this area? Continue with one more breath. Ancient text shares that this center is our true center, expressing our confidence and authentic power. See what you notice here as you find your power, and also notice your sense of balance and focus. Sensing the strength. Now enter the heart center. With all of your tenderness and kindness, breathe this in again. Kindness to yourself with full acceptance and tenderness of just where you are, who you are, and what's up for you today. All of your challenges and excitements. Notice the sensations and colors with this tenderness in the center. Breathe in and pause for a moment. This golden light of caring has grown to a full crown around your body. So as you breathe this ring around your chest and your body, enjoy that sense that comes with it. Nice. Coming up now to your sky center. Inhale and pause. Notice all, as well as noticing the central pulse down the center of your body and out. Has it changed? Has it strengthened and grown wider? Perhaps it has. Beautiful. You have stayed with this meditation practice now for 4 weeks, going on 5 weeks. You have stayed with this process of embodiment and enriching our chi. And I thank you for this. Continue on this practice. Pick the meditation practice that is your favorite and do it daily. I think the shortest one is 10 minutes. I will see you in 2 weeks and let you know some simple and quick tools of how to embody and empower yourself, as well as others. Here is to healthy and happy chi. Take care.